Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to go about resolving the Xbox error code 0x80073cfc that you're having an issue with your game. It says reinstall the app can't start. Reinstalling should fix it. So pretty straightforward process. Let's go ahead and jump right into it. So first thing I recommend doing would be to open up the search menu, type in apps and features. Go ahead and open that up. Go ahead and actually locate the app from this list here, and then you would select the three-dotted icon next to it, and then you would select advanced options. Again, assuming that app showed up in this list, and you would scroll down underneath reset. If the app isn't working right, we can try and repair it. The app's data won't be affected. Select repair. And then you would attempt to relaunch the game and see if that has resolved the problem. If that has not worked, you can select the next option where if the app still isn't working right, reset it. The app's data will be deleted. Select the reset option. This will permanently delete the app's data on this device, including your preferences and sign-in details. Select reset. Relaunch the game you're having the problem with, and then see if that has resolved the problem. You can also go underneath the apps list field and actually search for Xbox as well. And we can do the same procedure we did with that other random application in here. So scroll down, again, select the repair button, just like we did before, and then I would recommend actually closing out and restarting your computer wouldn't hurt to try that, and then relaunch the game. And you can also try to reset the application as well. So again, this will permanently delete the app's data on this device, including your preferences and sign-in details. Go ahead and select reset, and go ahead and close out of here, and you want to restart your device. So pretty straightforward process there, guys. Do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.